Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. We are going to review how to solve equations with multiple operations and no calculator, just your brain. And we're going to use an acronym, PEMDAS. Now that acronym stands for, well, you guys know, you've seen it before, parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. All right, so let's write that down. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. Now remember, you solve from left to right. So these are multiplication and division from left to right progression, add and subtract from left to right progression. I wrote them down as equal at the bottom. That means that if division comes before multiplication, you have to divide first. And if addition comes after subtraction, you do that. So let's see how to solve this particular problem. I'm going to start by rewriting the problem. 9 times, remember, x doesn't always mean an unknown, 4 plus 6 divided by 6. Now you're going to do the multiplication and division in the same step. So 9 times 4 is 36, plus 6 divided by 6 is 1. 36 plus 1 is 37. And now I am going to grab my calculator and double check it, because I want to know that you can do it without a calculator, but I also want to know that you're intelligent enough to check your work. So let's check this problem. 9 times 4 plus 6 divided by 6. And the calculator agrees. This calculator does order of operations. Not all calculators do. Let's take a look at what a different calculator would do. Let's grab my old cell phone and let's ask Siri what she has to say. Hey Siri, what's 9 times 4 plus 6 divided by 6?
9 times 4 plus 6 divided by 6 is 37.
Look at that, Siri knew. Good job, Siri. Let's see what it looks like with just using a calculator. Let's try straight up calculations. 9 times 4 plus 6 divided by 6. And it did it on the calculator too. Good job, calculator. Gotta love it. All right, so now we know this is the right answer. So C is the direction that we're going in. Woo! C37 is the correct answer for this problem. Let's take a look at the next page. And bear in mind, every time we do a problem, you have to do it according to the order of operations. So, me being me, I want you to write the problem down. 6 plus 5 plus 8 times 4. Now, you do parentheses first. So this part is going to be done first. 6 plus 5 plus 8 is 13 times 4. Now, what do you do next? Think about it. Multiply. 13 times 4. So you get 6 plus 52. Yeah, I think so. 6 plus 52, 58. So I'm going to double check that on my beloved calculator, because this calculator is the best. It does parentheses. 6 plus parentheses 5 plus 8 parentheses times 4. And Ty says it's 58 also. Good job. Now let's see what Siri has to say. Hey Siri, what's 6 plus, oh, sorry. What's,
Okay, I found this.
oh, please. Hey Siri, what is 6 plus parentheses 5 plus 8 close parentheses times 4? Oh, she's thinking.
Okay, I found this on the web for what is 6 plus parentheses 5 plus 8 times 4. Check it out.
She wants me to learn. Look at that evil Siri. She's telling me to go to the Khan Academy to do it. Ugh, well, I can't do that. I don't have time for Khan. Well, I do, but I'm not going to. So, but I don't have any parentheses on here. What about this? I have parentheses. Let's see if it works. Okay, 6 plus parentheses 5 plus 8 close parentheses times 4 is 58. Yay! So in order to use my calculator, I had to do sideways and use the hard calculator. But that's okay. At least my phone has one. So now I know my answer is 58. So that's this down here, and I'm going to highlight my downward arrow. All right, that was 2 problems. Now it's your turn. I would like you to try this one, and I'll just wait for you. Okay, you're back, right? You tried the problem? It's my firmest wish that you try this. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. So, rewrite the problem. Parentheses 3 plus 5 divided by 4 times 2. Parentheses first. Look at that. 3 plus 5. I'm going to do that and get 8. Notice that once I do that, the parentheses disappear because it's like once you do addition, the addition sign disappears. So when you use something, it goes away. Divided by 4 times 2. Oh, I forgot to write the 4 in there. I'm going to put it in squishy. All right, 8 divided by 4. That's the part I do first. Even though the division comes before multiplication, I have to do division first. Left to right progression. 8 divided by 4 is 2 times 2, and that's 4. Okay, and that's the answer up there. Let's check it. Parentheses, 3 plus 5, close the parentheses, divided by 4 times 2. Yay, calculators. And look, the calculator gave us 4 also. And how about this calculator? Is that going to give us 4? First, I have to clear the mess. And parentheses, 3 plus 5, parentheses, divided by 4 times 2. Voila, it gave us 4 as well. So we know for sure we can do these problems. And Siri telling us to go to the Khan Academy to learn the order of operations is good advice, but it's not helping us right now, is it? So, number 4. All right, now, here we go. Last problem we're going to do together. The rest you have to do on your own. All right, do this problem and come back to me. All right, I'm hoping, really hoping that you're trying the problems on your own. 4 times 7 minus parentheses 6 plus 3. Order of operations, parentheses first. 4 times 7 minus 6 plus 3 is 9. Multiplication, 4 times 7 is 28, minus 9. 28 minus 9, 19. All right, let's see. Does our calculator agree? 4 times 7 minus parentheses 6. Can you see that? 6 plus 3, close the parentheses, 19. Yay, it worked. All right. And of course, I know that it's going to work on my phone calculator. 4 times 7 minus parentheses 6 plus 3. Oh, 3 plus 6. No, what did I do? I messed up. Try again. 4 times 7 minus parentheses 6 plus 3, close the parentheses, equals 19. Yay, my phone calculator can do math too. All right, so now you know what tools you have to use, and got the answer 19, and we're going to highlight the A, and level 3. Did you just jump level 2, Bono? Yes, I did, because I think you can do this. All right, I'm going to read the directions to you, then I'm going to let you go and do it on your own. Use the answers to guide you to the end of the maze to make your escape. Start at A. Add 9 and 6, then divide by the sum by the sum of 1 and 2. That's a word problem. Oh, golly gee willikers, I'm gonna need scrap paper to do this one. Or I can write on the back of one of the other papers. But since it's me, I like the paper of scrap. So, how do you do this? I'm gonna put A here, add 9 and 6, 9 plus 6. Then divide the sum, that's a sum, and I'm gonna divide the sum by another sum of 1 and 2. That's how you would do that problem. And get an answer, and then divide 9 by 3, then subtract 2. Double the result. So you would have to do this one. Here's B. Divide 9 by 3. So 9 divided by 3. Then subtract 2 and double the result. What does double the result mean? Multiply by 2. So then this whole thing, after you do this, you would multiply by 2. Is there another way to write that? Yeah, I think I could write it like this. 9 divided by 3 minus 2 times 2. But the result, I'd have to do this part first before I multiply by 2, because when it says double the result, that means the whole subtract 2 thing has to come before the multiply by 2. Okay, that's enough hints for you. I'm going to turn the phone off and let you do your job. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.